Hi, welcome to Routine Wisdom. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about social games. Now, social games are a great way to work on enjoyment in an activity, to work on eye contact, and to sneak in some language. So today I want to show you a few things you can do with a laundry basket. Now, you might just embed this into your daily routine when you're folding laundry. You might just have it in your playroom. You decide, but just sneak it in where you can. So what I would like you to do is get your child to sit in the laundry basket. Now, I like to use a really sturdy laundry basket, one that isn't too short or too high, just a really good size. You could also use a cardboard box. It might rip after a few times. You could use like a plastic bin, but I have a really sturdy laundry basket that I like to use. So I have my assistant, my doll here, and so what I would do is encourage your child to sit in the basket. If not, you might need to put them in the basket, or maybe they sit with another stuffed animal or their lovey blanket or something like that. And then what's really nice with the laundry basket is they can't walk away, right? So they are kind of stuck for the moment. They're ready to engage. You want to start right away. You can work on some eye contact while you're doing this game. So this is what it might look like. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Uh-oh. And then your child kind of tumbles out, very gently, of course. So with social games, it's very important that you set a routine. So you always start it the same way. Maybe you go, ready, set, go. Maybe you would say, 1, 2, 3. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And then you would set the scene. Uh-oh, that's my target word. Uh-oh. And then I would have them come out. More? Come sit. And then we'd put them in. And then we'd do again. 1, 2, 3. So I would set the scene. I typically would do that routine the same exact way 3 times. And then while I'm doing that, I am targeting a gesture or a word or some sort of initiation that I want them to do for me to continue the routine. So in this example, I would have uh-oh. So after I got done singing the song, now my child is looking at me. I'm squatting down looking right at them. And I'm gently down the stream. So you see that? I'm kind of giving them the gesture. I'm hoping they'll do the gesture. I'm hoping that they will wiggle, maybe like, hey, dump me over. Maybe I might even get, oh. If I'm really lucky, maybe I get, uh-oh, and then I dump them over and we start the routine again. It's beautiful. And you can make this whatever kind of fits to your child's interests. So maybe it's Wheels on the Bus. You know, wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. And then again, you could do uh-oh. You could do chug, 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 going down the track, the choo-choo song. You could sing any song, Andrew is rocking, 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 Andrew is rocking, and then he falls down, uh-oh. You can go side to side. You could spin it if you wanted to. You make it your own. What's important here is that you're working on engagement with your child, you're working on eye contact, and you can target a gesture, a sound, or some language. And if you have one word, you can go to 2. You could say fall down, or go down, or wee, whatever word you want to work on. You can make it your own. So hopefully that is helpful. Enjoy this really fun social game. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.